Let me ask you a question. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning? Tired? Low energy? Maybe even noticing your strength isn't what it used to be? If you're a man over 30, and especially over 40, you may not realize it, but your testosterone has been quietly dropping by 1 to 2% every single year. And this isn't just about your sex drive. Testosterone fuels your muscle mass, bone strength, energy levels, mood, fat burning ability, and confidence. Now, here's the kicker. Most men assume low testosterone is just getting older or something that only medicine or supplements can fix. But here's the truth. The food on your plate right now could either accelerate that decline or reverse it. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and for the past 5 years, I've worked with men over 30 struggling with fatigue, low energy, and declining vitality caused by testosterone loss. I see it every day, men who feel like their bodies are betraying them, even though simple nutritional choices could change everything. Today, we're going to do something powerful. I'm counting down the top 10 testosterone-boosting foods backed by real science, not hype, not fads. Foods that can recover energy, rebuild muscle, and restore confidence naturally. But before we dive in, comment below, where are you watching from? I love seeing our global community grow. Tap like if you're ready to take control of your health. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get real, science-backed advice that protects your energy, strength, and dignity. Let's get started. Number 10, purple sweet potatoes. Yes, sweet potatoes, but not the orange ones you're used to. Purple sweet potatoes are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your testicles from oxidative stress. Studies show they reduce inflammation in reproductive organs and support testosterone production. They also help stabilize cortisol, the stress hormone. Why does that matter? High cortisol literally suppresses testosterone. So by keeping blood sugar steady, calming stress, and protecting reproductive tissue all in one, you get the purple potato magic. Roast them with olive oil and spices, or steam them. Eat them post-workout, when your body needs carbs the most. Number 9, Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day gives you your full selenium requirement, an essential mineral for testosterone synthesis. Selenium activates genes responsible for hormone production. Clinical studies confirm that men with sufficient selenium have higher testosterone levels. Eat 1 or 2 nuts in the morning, or cycle them through the week, but don't overdo it, as too much selenium is toxic. Already, we've seen 2 foods that do more than fill you up. They repair, protect, and fuel your hormones. Number 8, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just heart healthy, it's hormone healthy fat. Testosterone is made from cholesterol inside Leydig cells of your testicles. Without the right fats, your body struggles to make testosterone efficiently. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and support hormone production. Use it raw on salads or for low-heat cooking, and check the harvest date and packaging to ensure it's the real thing. Number 7, dark leafy greens. Spinach, collards, arugula, they're rich in magnesium, essential for testosterone synthesis, and nitrates, which improve blood flow, critical for sexual health. Spinach is nutrient-dense, low-calorie, and versatile. Eat it raw, sautéed, or blended into smoothies. Just be mindful of oxalates if you're prone to kidney stones or arthritis. Number 6, fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, mackerel fatty fish gives you 3 testosterone boosters in one: omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and zinc. Studies show omega-3s improve testicular function, vitamin D increases testosterone in deficient men, and zinc supports hormone production. Choose wild-caught over farmed fish, as farming changes omega ratios and can introduce contaminants. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or canned, but always prioritize quality. Number 5, whole eggs. Egg yolks are cholesterol-rich, providing the raw material for testosterone production. They also contain vitamin D and healthy fats. Studies show men consuming whole eggs alongside resistance training had higher testosterone increases than those eating only egg whites. Eat 1 to 3 whole eggs a day depending on your health profile, and if you have cholesterol concerns, consult your doctor. Number 4, garlic. Garlic isn't just a culinary hero, it's a hormone hero. Allicin in garlic lowers cortisol, freeing your body to produce more testosterone. Animal studies show garlic stimulates Leydig cells, the testosterone factories in your testicles. Eat 1 to 2 cloves daily, raw or cooked. A little parsley after raw garlic helps with breath, but the testosterone boost is worth it. Number 3, dark chocolate and cacao. Studies show cacao improves free testosterone, especially when paired with pomegranate. It's loaded with magnesium and flavonoid antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and cortisol while boosting nitric oxide for blood flow. Choose 85% cacao or higher, avoid added sugar, and use 1 to 2 tablespoons in smoothies or a couple of squares daily. Number 2, pomegranate. In just 2 weeks, studies show men drinking pomegranate juice increased testosterone by 24%, lowered stress hormones, and improved mood and confidence. It works by reducing oxidative stress and boosting nitric oxide, enhancing blood flow and erectile function. Take 4 to 8 ounces of 100% juice daily, or eat fresh seeds. Watch sugar intake if you're diabetic or insulin resistant. Number 1, oysters, the king of testosterone-boosting foods. Packed with zinc, critical for testosterone production, more per-serving than any other food. Zinc deficiency can drop testosterone by up to 75% in just 6 months. Oysters also provide selenium and omega-3s, plus dopamine-boosting compounds that increase libido and sexual drive. Eat from reputable sources, ensure shells are closed, and cook them if you're immune-compromised. Too much zinc can be toxic, so moderation is key. Here's a simple daily framework. For breakfast, have whole eggs with 1 or 2 Brazil nuts. For lunch, have wild salmon or tuna with dark leafy greens drizzled with extra virgin olive oil. For a snack, try raw cacao with pomegranate seeds or juice. For dinner, enjoy garlic-infused dishes with fatty fish a few times a week, and have oysters once or twice weekly if it's safe for you to do so. A few lifestyle notes to keep in mind. Avoid testosterone suppressors such as highly processed foods, excess sugar, excess soy, and vegetable oils high in omega-6. Sleep matters. Testosterone is produced during deep sleep, so prioritize rest. And take this seriously. Small, consistent changes compound. You are not powerless over your testosterone. Age is not the end of vitality. These foods, combined with proper sleep, stress management, and exercise, can restore energy, strength, and confidence. Comment below which food are you adding first, and where are you watching from? Tap like if this video helped you take control of your health. Subscribe to join our community of men improving strength, energy, and vitality. And share this with a friend who might benefit, because testosterone is about life, not just libido. You deserve to feel strong, vibrant, and alive starting today. Small, intentional changes add up. Energy, muscle, and confidence are not lost. They're waiting for you to reclaim them. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and here's what I want you to remember. Age is not the end of vitality. Food is medicine for your hormones. Start small, stay consistent, and your energy, strength, and confidence will follow. Take care, stay strong, and remember, you are not defined by age, you are defined by your choices today.